Whoa. All right, starting the day off with a smallmouth bass. I'm doing a little fishing on the river today. It's a pretty hot day. You know, I do usually go for smallies and pike. As I got a smallmouth bass right here, but today I think I'm gonna try to also see if I can get a gar. Decent little smallie. Cool, cool. I got a rig that I think might work for gar, so we'll see how it goes. Smallie. I love how they look in the clear water like that. It's very pretty fish. Pretty small one, but I'll still take it. Tack a rock bass onto that. All right, so we got a nice gar on, and oh, he is off. He got off. Here's a smallmouth bass I caught while I was eating. I didn't have time to turn my camera on, but little chunk. He hit my gar rig, if you will. It's basically a Ned rig with a steiner on it. So that's what I had that one nice gar on a minute ago. I just saw a big school of them. So I mean, they hit these lily pad edges. So we'll get this smallie put back and see if we can get a gar. If not, I'll just keep bass fishing. But yeah, stay tuned. Well, it's not a gar, but believe it or not, it's another smallmouth bass. Shocker. I did see more gar though, and they seem to be interested in this. It's just, gar are very, very difficult to hook, and of course my net's hooked on my other pole, so I'm just gonna try to grab this guy barehanded here. If he gets off, it's no biggie really. All right. All right, good little chunky guy. Sweet. All right, I mean, hey, if we're not catching gar, I'll take some little chunks. That's all right with me. Another gar hooked. He like really slashed at it, and then he got stuck on this log. So let's see if I can net him with this. My other pole's tangled, so take a good look at him. Whoa. Jeez, man. That steiner hook got him on the side there. This is pathetic. There we go. Wow. Okay. I don't want to risk losing him by getting this hook out of this net, but here we have it. A long nose gar. He got me right underneath this log right here. Let's hold him up. Off that steiner. I feel bad, he kind of got snagged here, but oftentimes that's what happens, because the softest part of the gar is underneath their underneath them right here, underneath their mouth kind of. So usually if they slash at it and get hooked, that's where they get hooked. But that's cool. Nice little gar. I'll take it. Little smallmouth bass. jeez. All right, that was easy. Something got him. Maybe a pike. All right, see ya, buddy. A rock bass. And it looks like we got last smallmouth of the night. This little guy. All right, off that sonar minnow. I think this is a good ending point for the video. I'm right back where I started. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. That was a fun video, and I will get out there soon and catch some more gar. Not quite the last fish. Little rock bass wanted to grab this at the end here.